What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sera, and today we're here. We're gonna be doing the butterfly comp, and I'm so nervous. It's my first comp ever. Anyways, we're gonna quickly go and check in.
Many of them are doing it for the first time, so as much as you need to, they're going to show you support today.
Okay fam, we just got debriefed on our workout. Now we're gonna go and warm up. Are you nervous? It's both of our first comps. Also comping with the girls. Are you ready? Go mommy.
Go baby.
Okay, I'm gonna go warm up and I'll see you later.
So wait, huh? Yeah, because you need to warm up. You need to like get a sweat on. Yeah.
Lane 5, Podium.
Yeah? Can we bring this?
Lane 6, Buttercup, HGBLT. Lane 7, Strap It and Send It.
Alright guys, we're about to get it done. Sera's first comp. So excited for her. Nerves are kicking in. Can feel it, but they've done all the hard work, so she's ready. Well, they're all ready.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's keep that motion! Keep that pace! Davey! Johnson!
Guys, freaking judge ripped me for a lot of the reps. So like, I swear to you, maybe 10 reps. Okay fam, we have up the Angelo team right here. And her support system all over here. So we're still on our heat 1. We have this team. We also have another team that is going on the next heat. And then we will go and warm up again for our heat 2. Stand up! Stand up, Tanya! Stand up! Yeah! Okay guys, we have our intermediate team. The girls! Money!
2, 1, let's go!
Let's go, Sana!
Alright fam, Sera's getting ready for her second one.
No. This is the one one that I actually dread because it's burpees.
You got this, girl. Look at it. Boom.
Just another one. Just another one.
Yes, sir. Just another one, baby. So they're doing their second walk, and I think it's sink burpees, one on the rower. Once that's done, they go straight into burpee jump overs. It's like a meter or something. And then lateral jumps. Then do that again 3 times. They're doing so well today. So many teams. She's on 9! 11, 12! Chubby. One more go!
Breathe, just breathe it. Breathe.
Recover. Go, ladies, come on! Straight up! Straight to jump!
Sera side.
Go! 1, 2, 3, Alright team, so they've got their third one. They're about to hit it, and they're about to smash it. Stay ready, ladies, stay ready! Alright, Sera!
I love you, baby. After this one.
Get ready for their last one. Hey, Tor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Nearly over. Let's go, ladies. Straight up! Sera! Yeah! Take your time! Scotty, straight up! Straight up!
Nice jump!
Straight up!
Straight up!
Straight up! Yeah! Good job! Good job! Good up, man! Straight up, puppy!
Keep going! Strong pull!
Straight up! Straight up! Yeah!
Round of applause. Oh, I think wow. Absolutely, you got that lifting party started.
Yeah, the girls! Yeah, my girl!
Finish now. Kissing
Let's
my
go, malo final, malo kau.
Without further ado, in third place, we have Send It Squad. Let's give it up for Send It Squad. In second place, Samoan Girls. Relentless 3!
Guys, we didn't expect a podium, but we podium today.
Across the middle.
Yeah. We're like, mommy, we're